Hey guys, today we're unboxing a toy for grown-ups. It's a Revell made Mini Cooper 998 Mk.I scale model, 1 to 24 scaling. It's actually licensed by BMW, so it's original thing. So let's see. This is a model of the first generation of Mini Cooper. Quite an oldie. So let's see what's inside. Carefully cutting the box so we don't damage anything. It's a Revell model number 07092. That's a lot of work to be done. Nothing else in the box. Here's just some additional models here you can essentially buy at some point. So let's throw this away. Here are the instructions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 16, 17, 50 steps to assemble. And some views. Okay, this is actually some leaflet with different models and stuff. Cars, trucks, fire truck, monster trucks, some girly things, Star Trek planes and stuff. We have some stickers. You can choose different license plate, dashboards and stuff. And this is what it is. Safety advice. Okay, do not eat parts, they can get stuck. And these are the actual small, big, medium parts of the whole thing. This is the chassis. Let's see. Wow. So, here are the tires. That's a lot of stuff. Let's see if we have the number of parts, as in the... Nope. Maybe somewhere here. Pieces 126. Okay, so in order to do it like this, you also need to get some colors, some paint, to paint the different parts in different colors and let them dry and assemble afterwards. So that's about it, guys. It's quite a nice little thing for assembly. Well, let's get some fun. Bye!